Every home, whether it's a small apartment or a large house, needs a set of reliable tools to handle everyday repairs, quick fixes, and even small DIY projects. Having the right tools not only saves time and money, but also gives you the confidence to tackle problems on your own. In this video, we're going to explore 7 useful tools every home should have. These tools are practical, easy to use, and perfect for beginners, as well as experienced DIY enthusiasts. 1. Cordless Drill, the DEWALT 20-volt Mac. Cordless drill driver is one of the most important tools you can have in your home because it makes everyday tasks faster, easier, and more efficient. This drill is designed to handle a wide range of jobs such as drilling holes, driving screws, and assembling furniture without requiring much effort. Its cordless design gives you complete freedom to move around without being limited by wires or power outlets, which makes it extremely convenient for use in any part of your home. The powerful battery ensures long-lasting performance so you can complete multiple tasks on a single charge without interruption. Another great advantage of this drill is its lightweight and ergonomic design, which makes it comfortable to hold and easy to control. Even if you are a beginner, you can quickly learn how to use it effectively without feeling overwhelmed. It also comes with adjustable speed settings that allow you to work with precision depending on the type of material you are using. Whether you are working with wood, metal, or plastic, this drill provides consistent and reliable performance. Overall, it is a time-saving tool that can replace manual effort and help you complete projects much more efficiently at home. 2. Screwdriver set. The Klein Tools 6-piece. Screwdriver set is a must-have for handling everyday repair and maintenance tasks in your home. Screwdrivers are one of the most commonly used tools, and having a complete set ensures that you are always prepared for different types of screws. This set includes various sizes and tip types, allowing you to handle everything from small electronic repairs to larger household tasks with ease. The strong and durable construction ensures that the screwdrivers last a long time without wearing out or losing their effectiveness. One of the key features of this set is the comfortable grip, which allows you to use the tools for extended periods without discomfort. This is especially useful when you are working on detailed tasks that require precision and control. The tips are designed to fit securely into screws, reducing the chances of slipping and damaging the screw head. Whether you are tightening loose screws, installing fixtures, or fixing appliances, this screwdriver set provides the reliability and performance you need for smooth and hassle-free work. 3. Tape measure. The DURATECH magnetic tape. Measure 25 feet is an essential tool for accurate measurement in any home project. Measuring correctly is extremely important when you are planning layouts, arranging furniture, or working on DIY tasks. This tape measure offers a generous length that is suitable for most household needs, allowing you to measure both small and large spaces easily. The magnetic tip is a useful feature that helps you attach the tape to metal surfaces, making it easier to take measurements without needing assistance. The tape is designed to be durable and easy to read, with clear markings that improve accuracy and reduce mistakes. Its retractable mechanism allows for smooth operation and quick storage after use. This makes it convenient for everyday use without any hassle. Whether you are checking dimensions before buying furniture or working on a project that requires precise measurements, this tape measure ensures that your work is accurate and well planned, helping you achieve better results with less effort. 4. Claw hammer, the Estwing. 16-ounce claw hammer is a classic and reliable tool that every home should have for basic construction and repair tasks. This hammer is perfect for driving nails into different surfaces and removing them when needed. Its solid construction provides strength and durability, ensuring that it can handle repeated use without any issues. The balanced design makes it easy to control, allowing you to work efficiently without putting too much strain on your hand. The claw on the back of the hammer is designed for pulling out nails quickly and easily, which adds to its versatility. This makes it useful for a variety of tasks, such as hanging pictures, fixing wooden structures, or performing small repairs around the house. The comfortable grip reduces vibration and improves handling, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Overall, this hammer is a dependable tool that can handle everyday tasks with ease and efficiency. 5. Adjustable wrench. Set the Work Pro 2. Piece Adjustable Wrench Set is a highly versatile tool that is perfect for handling nuts and bolts of different sizes. Instead of using multiple fixed-size wrenches, these adjustable wrenches allow you to change the jaw size according to your needs, making them extremely convenient for various tasks. They are ideal for plumbing work, assembling furniture, and repairing household appliances, making them a valuable addition to any home toolkit. These wrenches are made from strong and durable materials that ensure long-lasting performance even with regular use. The smooth adjustment mechanism allows you to quickly change the size without any difficulty, saving time and effort during work. The comfortable grip provides better control and reduces hand fatigue, making it easier to handle tough tasks. Whether you are tightening or loosening bolts, this wrench set delivers reliable performance and makes your work much more efficient. 6. Torpedo Level. The Klein Tools Magnetic Torpedo Level is an essential tool for ensuring accuracy and alignment in your projects. When you are hanging shelves, installing frames, or working on any task that requires straight lines, this tool helps you achieve precise results. The compact size makes it easy to carry and use in tight spaces, while the magnetic feature allows it to attach securely to metal surfaces for hands-free operation. The level includes clear and easy-to-read vials that help you determine whether a surface is perfectly horizontal or vertical. This ensures that your work looks neat and professional without any uneven alignments. It is a simple yet highly effective tool that improves the quality of your project significantly. Whether you are working on small tasks or larger installations, this torpedo level helps you maintain accuracy and achieve better results every time. 7. Pliers. Set the DURATECH. 7-piece pliers set with rolling pouch is a complete solution for gripping, cutting, and bending tasks around your home. This set includes different types of pliers that are designed for specific purposes, making it easier to handle a wide range of jobs. From electrical work to general repairs, these pliers provide the versatility and functionality you need for efficient work. The tools are made from high-quality materials that ensure strength and durability, allowing them to withstand regular use without damage. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing strain on your hands during extended use. The rolling pouch keeps all the tools organized and easy to carry, which adds to the convenience. Whether you are cutting wires, holding small objects, or bending materials, this plier set offers reliable performance and makes your tasks much easier to complete. So there you have it, 7 useful tools every home should have. With these tools in your toolbox, you'll be ready to handle everyday repairs, DIY projects, and unexpected fixes with confidence. Investing in quality tools not only makes your work easier, but also ensures they last for years to come. Start building your toolkit today, and you'll never feel unprepared when something needs fixing around your home.